Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Duluth, Georgia, which is northeast of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of DC Young Fly and Jacky. This beautiful 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom, single-family home in Gwinnett County, Georgia was originally constructed in 1993 sitting on a half-acre plot of land with a 2-car garage. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.